This is Yogesh Agarwal, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Vidzi for the first time. That is, the whole setup has to be done only once. You don't need to do this again and again. So this is kind of a one-timer. Okay, so this particular setup has two sections. First section is Facebook setup. Second section is Google setup. So let's start with the first section. So once you log in, please click on settings and please click on Facebook setup, that is FB setup, and then you will be shown the screen. Here in the screen, just click on Facebook developers login and then it will take you to this page. Here click on my apps and then click on create app. And now you need to enter a name. I'll just put as Vidzi. Click on create app ID. Click here. Click on submit. Now it will take you to the app that has been created right now. And here in under add a product, just click on setup under Facebook login. Click on web. Type here aisoftllc.com and then click on save. And then click on continue. Now you don't need to do anything else in this page for now. Go to settings, click on basic. Here in the app domains, type aisoftllc.com, press enter. Here you need to add a privacy URL and you can add that here, like you can get the URL from here, the same page. Just copy it, paste it here and then press enter. Or yeah, it's added. Just save it. Then that's it. Now go to Facebook login, click on settings. Here you need to add OAuth redirect URI, which you will get here. Just copy it, paste it here and then press enter and then click on save changes. That's it. Now just click on the small toggle button. Select your business category and then click on switch mode. That's it. Your Facebook setup is fully done now. The last step is to copy the app ID and secret key and paste it in Vidzi. So I'll just double click here, copy it. I'll go here, paste it. And here the app secret key, it will ask for your Facebook account's password. Usually it will ask, then just give the password and only then it will reveal this secret key. So just copy it and paste it here and then click on save. So that's all about Facebook. Now let's see how we can set up Google. So Google is going to take a bit of time. In Google setup, you will be creating a project, enabling the APIs and then generating the credentials that you can, that is our Vidzi system can use to connect to the app and get the data. So now let's start. Here just click on need help. I'll just close those extra ones. Here click on developers console. So if you're having issue in understanding the video, you can go through step-by-step instruction which is written here. So now let me explain you. Here, if you have a Google project account, this screen will come, or else it will ask you to sign up. This is a free account and please do sign up with the exact same Gmail ID which it is identifying. Okay, so now just click on the small arrow button and then click on new project. I'll just put the project as VidziPresso new, and then I'll click on create. So my new project is now getting created. It can take couple of seconds. So I'll just click on this view button under this new project. Now this VidziPresso project has been created and this is its screen. So first thing you need to do is to enable YouTube data API. To do that, just click here, type as YouTube data, and in the drop down select YouTube data API v3. Now you will get the screen. Here just click on enable. Now this will enable the YouTube data API for this particular project. Now let's move to the next step of configuring OAuth consent screen and generating the credentials. So to do that, just click on navigation menu and then API and services and then dashboard, and here click on OAuth consent screen. In this screen, click on external and click on create. Here give an application name. I'll just mention as Vidzi1, and then in the authorized domain just type as aisoftllc.com and then press enter. Remember guys, you have to press enter, only then it will be saved. So once this is done, just click on save. Now go to credentials and then click on create credentials. Click on OAuth client ID, and in this screen just click on the application type and click on web application. Give some name here or let it be as it is. In the authorized redirect URIs, just click on add URL. Here you need to copy paste this URL. Copy, paste it here. If it has white space, you need to remove it. So I have a white space in the start of the URL, so I'll just remove it and then I'll click on create. So now we have successfully created a Google project, and then we have enabled YouTube data APIs and configured the consent screen, and then we have generated a credential. Just copy this and paste it in the VidziPresso system here and you are good to go. That's it. Remember guys, this is a one-time setup and you have to do this only once. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and if in case of any queries or doubts, please feel free to email us or create a ticket at our support desk. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye.